Welcome! If you're trying to find your past check-in activities on Facebook using your PC and you're not sure where Facebook moved everything in the latest update, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to locate all your check-ins step by step. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand into another set of options. Now, click on Settings to enter the main settings page where all your account controls are located. Once you're inside Settings, look for the activity log. Depending on your layout, you might see it directly on the left-hand side, or you may need to scroll a little to find it. Click on Activity Log to open a detailed record of everything you've done on Facebook. Inside the activity log, you'll see different categories that organize your activity. Look for a section labeled Your Facebook Activity. This is where Facebook groups actions like posts, comments, and interactions. Next, click on Posts. This will narrow things down to content you've shared. After that, find and select the check-in option. Once you click it, you'll see a list of all the places you've checked into on Facebook over time. And that's it. You can now browse, review, or even delete your past check-ins whenever you want. This updated layout might take a little getting used to, but once you know where to look, it's actually pretty straightforward.